Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn off spell check in Canva. For example, I have this sentence, I have this text box in my design, and as you can see, the word simple has this weird underline, the red underline that usually indicate that you made a mistake in that word or you have to correct the spelling. And it is true because the L here is supposed to be after the letter P. So this is not correct, at least in the English dictionary, and that's why it is trying to tell us that, hey, you have made a mistake and you have to correct this. But the thing is, this spelling feature is not something that is coming from Canva. This is actually coming from the browser. If you're using Chrome, Google Chrome actually offers you an automatic spell checker. So if you are typing something that is wrong, then it's going to show you this red underline. And oftentimes, if you're working with different languages, or if you're working on a design that involves a term or a word or a brand name that is not in English, you probably will see this a lot. So how do you turn off this feature? Well, if you are using Chrome, then you are in luck. Let me show you how you can do that. First, you have to click on this menu on the top right corner of the screen, and then you want to navigate to settings and go to languages. And on the spell check section, you can turn it off. And if you go back to Canva, you'll see that the red underline is now gone because there is no more spell checking. But personally, I do not recommend that method. At least for most people, I think spell checking is very useful. So instead, I do recommend just keep this feature on, but you want to customize the spell check. Essentially, you can add a dictionary, your own dictionary, into the browser, so every time it encounters that word, it's not going to correct you. So the word was simple with the L letter at the very end, and I'm going to click add word. And as you can see, there is no underline, there's no red underline on this word because I have set this particular dictionary on the browser that this word exists. So that's how you can do it, and that's how you can turn off the spell check feature in Canva, or at least in the browser. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.